In this video, we're going to talk about writing mentors and a tip and technique that has worked for me over the years that I want to share with you. My name is Michael Laron with Author Level Up, and I make these videos for writers because I believe that each of you has Dean Koontz level talent and you just need help unlocking it. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click that like button for more videos every week. Now, we're talking about writing mentors. Now, what do I mean when I say that? Well, a mentor is someone who you connect with that is usually further down the road than you and has more experience and can help guide you around things that maybe you wouldn't have seen yourself. And mentors are always highly recommended in any profession. Writing is no different. But I don't know about you, but I find that sometimes it's difficult to connect with people, especially over the internet. And people are busy, and people don't always have time to take the time to mentor you in a way that will help you produce results. And one of the things that I've always done is this idea of a virtual mentor. And when I say virtual, I don't mean like over Skype or over Zoom or anything like that. What I mean is a virtual imaginary mentorship. So pick someone who is further down the road than you, and instead of reaching out to them and asking them if they'll mentor you, which probably it may or may not happen depending on their availability, especially if you pick someone like a Stephen King or a Dean Koontz. But instead, do this. Read all of their books and then read all of their media interviews. So any interviews this person has done on a news show or on YouTube or maybe even on a blog post somewhere, and then find anything you can find, any piece of media you can find from that person, and read it. Read it critically and figure out how that person sees the world. Figure out what issues they dealt with and how they dealt with them. To the answers of popular questions, figure out how they would answer it and compare it to somebody else that you admire and respect, and figure out where the commonalities are. And there's a lot you can learn from doing like a virtual imaginary mentorship like this. I've done this with writers that I've admired and respected over the years, and I've been surprised at what I've been able to learn. And especially when you study their craft, in addition to reading all their books, watching all their interviews, learning about their philosophies on the world. Just an interesting tip that has worked well for me, and I've gotten a lot of mileage out of it. Just wanted to share it with you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Perfect.